If your WhatsApp isn't working, won't open, won't connect, or keep crashing, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. Don't worry, this is a really common issue and it's an easy fix if you follow these steps in order. You don't need to pay anyone to sort this out for you. If this helps, consider subscribing. We are going to start with the simplest fixes first, then move to the more advanced ones, so follow them in order and don't skip any. First, fully close WhatsApp. So if you're on iPhone, just swipe up from the bottom and hold, and then swipe WhatsApp up to close it. Now reopen and see if it works. If it doesn't, the next thing to try is turning airplane mode on and off. Swipe to open your control center. Then tap airplane icon. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network that alone fixes it for a lot of people. Now reopen WhatsApp and check. If it's still not working, let's check your internet. Open your browser, Safari or Chrome, and try loading a website like google.com. If the page won't load, the problem is your connection, not WhatsApp. So check your Wi-Fi or mobile data first. If the page loads but it is slow or laggy, run a quick speed test. Just search speed test in your browser and run the very first result. My internet has no issues at all, but for WhatsApp to work properly, you want to be above 5 megabits per second. Anything lower than that, especially for calls, and you'll get that lag and dropouts. If your speed is fine, let's move on. The next fix is the most common and people miss it, so check this one carefully. Make sure WhatsApp is fully up to date. On your iPhone, open the App Store, search WhatsApp, and if you see an update button, tap it. Mine doesn't show an update button because it is running the latest version and is fully up to date. A lot of crashing and freezing comes from a bug in old versions, so this fixes it more often than you think. Once it's updated, reopen WhatsApp and test it. If it's still playing up, let's check WhatsApp permissions. Open your phone settings and scroll down to app and then find WhatsApp in that section and then tap it. Make sure it has access to your mobile data and Wi-Fi because without that, it can't connect at all. If you make voice calls or send voice notes, check that microphone is turned on too. If everything here is already on, turn it off and back on again. Then close and reopen WhatsApp. Sometimes permissions get stuck and flipping it resets it. If that didn't do it, the next thing to check is your storage. This sounds minor, but a low storage is big reason phone gets slow and apps start crashing. Go to settings, then general, then tap iPhone storage. Try to keep at least few gigabytes free because your phone needs that space to run smoothly. Once you've freed up some space, restart your phone and then check WhatsApp again. If you're still stuck, the next step is force restart, which is stronger than a normal one. On iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Then let go. On older iPhones with a home button, hold the home button and the power button together until you see the Apple logo, then release. Let your phone start up normally and open WhatsApp again. This hard reset most probably fixes the issue for I'd say 99% of the people, so please give it a try. Please make sure that you hard reset your iPhone. If you've tried everything and it's still not working, the issue may be on WhatsApp end, so it's worth checking if WhatsApp is down before reinstalling. And that's it. I hope this video helped, and if it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.